guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. When you click it, please click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video and you stay updated. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a puff, like a really, or rather how to make your hair look fuller with a puff. I really do hope I'm making sense. This is a flat twist out. A video on this hair is I'm going to put a link somewhere here. I never seem to get where that is. I'm going to start by lifting my roots with this white tooth comb. Okay, I need to take out my wristwatch because it seems to be pissing me off right now. So I'm going to lift my roots up. So when I'm done lifting my roots, I know I do not lift anything up right now. My hair is really shrunken. So I'm going to take my shoelace that I always use and put it over the back of my head, and then I'm going to tie that down. The secret to having a full puff is not pulling back from the front. Okay, that does not make sense. Okay, actually I tie it and then I hold it down, and then I pull from the back. I only pull from the back. So basically when I pull, I tie it more. Not too tight. Don't tie it too tight, because if you tie it too tight, you're just going to give yourself an unnecessary headache. So you see, so far I've only gone back a little bit. So I hold it with my middle finger, and then I keep lifting it up and up. I keep lifting it up until I feel satisfied. I'm not satisfied yet. I'll keep lifting it up more. This gives the illusion of a fuller hair, basically. So yeah, when I'm done, I'm just going to check the side if it's okay. Check the other side. I feel like I need to pull this part up a bit more, and then I'm going to tie it once more and then use bobby pins I'm going to tie it and use bobby pins to secure the ends of the shoelace. So yeah, and now it looks really full and really nice. So basically this is how I achieve my puff. The secret is to not move the shoelace from the front part. You just make the puff from the back and then tie it all up, and yeah, that's it basically. And then I just fluff it out a bit more, just so it gives the illusion of a fuller hair, you know what I'm saying. This is what my puff looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful in any way, just let me know, okay? Just give this video a thumbs up if it helped you in any way. Share this video with your friends, your sisters, your aunts, and yeah, please click the subscribe button if you've not clicked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.